Sheep numbers remained the same with a total yarding of 19,500. The quality was a bit plainer this week, with showing the effects of the weather. Light lambs are still well supplied. Trade weights were lacking a little bit of finish. Heavy lambs were limited. Sheep numbers were good and the quality was mixed. The best of the trade lambs have made to $140. The light store lambs, 96, and mutton for full wool merinos to 130. The market's cheaper by about 8 to 10 on the lambs and 6 to 8 on the mutton. This has been Graham Richard for the ML.